Hello everyone, I hope you guys are well and welcome on this channel again. My name is Margot alias Margavalux. I'm a bag lover and I hope you are too, because I'm gonna show you bags that I'm selling right now on the website that I have, margavaluxpro.com. I also do normal video where I do unboxing of my own bag, my bag collection, vlogs and etc. every Wednesday, every Friday, every Sunday. Make sure you subscribe to this video and let's jumpstart directly. I have a Birkin! It is here. I do have the dust bag, guys. This is a huge dust bag, but it is here. And voila! Look at this one. This is a beautiful Birkin size 30, gold hardware, Togo leather. The color is between a Bordeaux and a brown. This is called like lin de vin. This is a beautiful like wine color, I would say. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful gold hardware. This bag is pre-loved. This is a second-hand one. You have corner rubbed and it's mostly the color, so it would need like a Hermes spa. The Hermes spa means you can bring your bag back to Hermes for a little cleaning and they will make it as new. So this is a good option. I really recommend it. Usually in Europe you need to include it in your budget for between 600 and 800 euro. This is actually very low comparing to the price of the bag itself. So this is a good option. In my opinion, you should do it like every 5 years for your bags, every 5 to 10 years to care about your bags, because when you buy this type of bags you need to care about them to have them for a while. So otherwise the inside is in gorgeous condition. I have to admit, you have the zipper pocket, the classic pocket. This is beautiful. We had the padlock and the keys for this little baby. I do have the entry certificate. In case you prefer the Baba Baby certificate, you can contact me, and of course I will see to have the Baba Baby certificate. I know in the US this is very important. This beautiful bag is at price at 10,990 euro, and on the website you have the USD price. You can go have a look, and let's go for something else, something smaller, which is like the Speedy size 25 monogram Kenda. As you can see, this is a beautiful little baby. I do have a padlock, I don't have the key. You have the leather tag that is here but fragilized, so be careful with it. It can be changed for 25 euro in case you need it on your own Speedy. But otherwise, the handles are caramelized. They have some signs of wear. Obviously, this is not a brand new one. This is a vintage. Corners are a little bit rubbed, but this is super little. And the inside has a very good interior, some little stain, but the major default, and this is why it's very cheap, we had the pouch that is like broken here. You can fix it at Louis Vuitton directly or on your own. I would advise more Louis Vuitton, but this is a bag from the 80s, so this is quite usual, I would say, and it can be fixed. And the price is 465 euro. So even if you have, for example, I don't know, 50 euro or even 100 euro of repair on this bag, it still makes the bag at 565 euro, which is very cheap. Also, I have two things to tell you. The first thing is that in November, you will get 3 videos per week. One every Wednesday, as per usual, this type of video, luxury bags to buy now. The Friday, it's new video where I will release November, December, a video on Friday and on Sunday as per usual. So I add one other video on Fridays. So make sure to subscribe and to be around. Then the other thing that I wanted to mention is that in December, from the 1st of December till the 23rd of December, I do an advent calendar. It's called Hermès from BLS, from BAM Luxury Store, where we will unbox every single day one item on the website. We will release only one per day, and you will have, of course, every Wednesday the classical backdrop day that we do, but every single day you'll get one item, luxury item, exclusively on the website at 6 p.m. Paris time, 12 p.m. New York City time, and in the morning for East time, like Pacific time. But it's gonna be quite crazy. Also, for those who miss this item, because last year we were sold out instantly every night. It was insane. So if you miss this one, you'll get another chance to get another bag or accessorize on What's Not. This is a live shopping application, and every night also we'll make an advent calendar with auction starting at 1 USD, 1 euro, starting at 7:30 p.m. Paris time. So it will make, I believe, like 1:30 p.m. New York City time. So make sure you subscribe also with our link down below. You have all the information. I will make on the screen the information, screenshots. Make sure you be here, and I'll see you for the drop must. Very important. It's gonna be insane. Next, Now I have a little one that is just here. This is an Hermes bracelet. I'll show you closer. So this is the Be Happy bracelet, the Happy bracelet. This is double tour. This is a size 4, but you can make it smaller. And this is, you have a double blue, as you can see, darker on this side, Tiffany on this side, hardware, like silver hardware. This is actually very cute. This is a double, like a double bracelet. It's mixed, either for men, women also, and the price is 249 euro. I don't have the box either of the dust bag, so it will come in my dust bag. Okay, next one is a very classic one. We do have beautiful items tonight, bags and accessories. Everything is authentic, of course. We do have, for this one, for example, we provide the Entreprise certificate. That is a very good one. This is here a double classic flap from Chanel, black lambskin leather. This is a 25. This is a classic one. You have gold hardware, that is gold-plated hardware for this vintage. This vintage is from 86, 88 for the year, so it has more than almost 40 years actually. I'm gonna give you the it has almost 40 years actually. This is quite insane, I must say, because it's still in great condition. So you can wear this bag on the shoulder, or you can wear it up là as a crossbody bag, which is very cool. Not super tall, but if you're tall, I would advise more a 25 than a 23, because it will be a little bit smaller in 23. But yeah, this is something that you can keep in mind. The hardware is a little bit tarnished. This is a vintage one, but of course. So the leather is a beautiful lambskin leather. I think it was like hydrated and care of. Corners are a little bit rubbed and they were retouched. But otherwise, such a gem. I can do smell a little bit vintage, but I will try to remove it, because you know it has almost 40 years, of course. We have some trace of wear as usual on this side, and then the inside is actually gorgeous. Like the inside is beautiful, very few little trace of wear. We had the hologram. I don't have the card or the dust bag or the box on this one, but this is in good, very good condition, I must say. Here you have a little damage, but we never use like the little pressure button anyway. On this one, super good. This is a 3,990 euro. It's below 4K euro, so this is actually a very, very good deal. Everything is already available on my website, and this company was created thanks to you on YouTube actually, because I was doing this with my bag dressing at first, and then I didn't get enough, so people were asking me to sell for them their bags, their accessories, and I authenticate everything, plus I have Entreprise certificate. Then we do have this beautiful Van Cleef and Arpels bracelets. I am so beyond excited. I have the invoice, I have papers, I have everything. This is a brand new one. It comes from Paris. My client never used it in the end. She prefers to sell it. We have this very little cute box, I must say, and look at this Alhambra bracelet, very cute. This is a white cream, I would say, with the gold silver, like the gold, with the gold hardware bracelet. This is so freaking cute and little. I love it. You have a full set for this one, and the price is 1,190 euro. This is such a gem. This is perfect to get offered or to offer. Then next, like, I don't know if you can notice if you are following me for a long time. Let me know in the comment if you're watching for quite a while now, or since when are you watching my channel. I'll be very happy to know, because I don't get lots of comments under my videos, so I don't know if you like them or not. So I'd be very happy to know since when do you follow my channel and you watch them, you watch me. But I'm happy because it's growing and growing and growing thanks to you. And now we do offer, like, we do include taxes and customs in our price for like international orders. I didn't get the chance to upload my website concerning this, but we do. And we have more bags that are exceptional on this website. I'm so beyond excited. I had the chance to go back to Paris to pick up some bags for you for Christmas, to the clients that are selling. I'm so excited. This one is insane. This is art, and you're gonna see why. So I do have the box for this one. This is literally an art bag. I'm gonna show you. Oh, here it is. Oh my God, this is a beautiful one. You are going to be amazed. This is the first time I see this in person. Oh my God, look at this beautiful limited edition Van Gogh. This is the collaboration with Jeff Koons and Louis Vuitton. Look at the details. This is such an insane collaboration. Look at this. This is a full leather bag. This one is brand new. It was never used actually, so this is actually a very good thing. The inside also has very special things. So the hardware is also kind of blue. This is insane. So look at the inside, full leather with some inscriptions, with also like little paintings. This is beautiful. You have like the keys and the padlock. This is a beautiful bag that I sell 3,290 euro, and I am below some of the prices that I see in pre-loved. This is a brand new one. This is not used. Okay, next I do have another Speedy because today is Speedy day, you will see. So this is the last Speedy that I'm showing to you today. So this one is a size 30 monogram canvas. This is a used one. As you can see here, it's a little bit broken. You can fix it also. This is not damaged, you can fix. You have also here damaged one. The lever is broken. You can fix it for 25 euro in store. Otherwise, you have corners rubbed on this bag as per usual. These ones, the handles has some trace of wear. This is a 2001 bag, so this is considered as vintage. And on this bag, the client bought this bag not with us but with some other company, and she left us the bag organizer that is from us actually. The inside is in very good condition and it smells amazing. Like, it completely smells very good. I'm super happy actually. So the bag is 590 euro. This is actually a very, very good price. Even if you need to repair, I believe it will make you like I think the repair you need to take like 50 euro or something. So this is still a very good price for this bag. Next, I do have this beautiful card holder from Louis Vuitton. Up, let me remove my price tag. So this is a card holder, very simple, monogram canvas, excellent condition, 225 euro. Then today I also have a key pouch that is in fabric blue, beautiful, very beautiful. The hardware is a little bit tarnished. What I love is here like the little details about it. Inside has little trace of wear, but it's very cute. I do have my price, 185 euro for this kitty. It's either for coins or you can use for key. Actually, I have one like this and I use it for coins. Then we do have a beautiful keyhole size 55, and I love it. I do have padlock, no keys. The leather is in great condition. This is tan, but in very good way. You have some little stain on the bottom, but almost nothing. Also this way, beautiful. Inside is gorgeous. You have photos on the website, and price is 650 euro. This is insane. Also, if you're looking for something specific, we do personal shopping, so contact me. I know it's Christmas soon, so be very quick. We do have some stock that is not on the website yet, so contact me. I might have what you're looking for. But here we have an agenda, PM size, excellent condition, some scratches on the press button, but otherwise, amazing, perfect condition for this one. Price is very good, 195 euro. And voila for the video. You had the website here, bamluxurystore.com. I hope you enjoyed. Links down below. I link also always my outfits, my gear, my tech gear, and everything. So make sure you subscribe and you check. And I will see you this Friday for a more classic video that you will love. Bisous.